A rough idle refers to an engine that doesn't run smoothly at idle speed. It's characterized by uneven engine speed, vibration, and sometimes even stalling. There are several common causes of a rough idle, and diagnosing the issue may require some troubleshooting. Here are some common reasons for a rough idle, faulty or dirty. Spark plugs. Worn or fouled spark plugs can cause misfires, leading to a rough idle. Replace spark plugs as per your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Ignition system issues. Problems with the ignition system, such as a malfunctioning ignition coil, distributor, or ignition control module, can disrupt the combustion process and result in a rough idle. Vacuum leaks. Leaking vacuum hoses, gaskets, or the intake manifold can allow unregulated air into the engine, causing an irregular air-fuel mixture and rough idle. Inspect and replace damaged vacuum components. Dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, affecting combustion efficiency and causing rough idling. Replace the air filter as recommended by your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Fuel system issues. Problems with the fuel system, such as a clogged fuel filter, malfunctioning fuel injectors, or a failing fuel pressure regulator, can lead to an inconsistent air-fuel mixture and rough idling. Idle control valve problems. The idle air control valve, IAC, controls the amount of air entering the engine at idle. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it can disrupt the engine's idle stability. Exhaust system blockage. A blocked or restricted exhaust system, such as a clogged catalytic converter or muffler, can create back pressure and affect engine performance, including idle quality. Throttle body issues. A dirty or malfunctioning throttle body can disrupt the airflow into the engine, leading to a rough idle. Cleaning or repairing the throttle body may resolve the issue. Mass airflow sensor. Problems. A faulty MAF sensor can provide incorrect information to the engine control module, ECM, leading to poor air-fuel mixture and a rough idle. Engine mechanical problems. More severe issues, such as low compression in one or more cylinders due to worn piston rings, damaged valves, or a blown head gasket, can result in a rough idle. Faulty sensors. Various sensors, such as the oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, or the coolant temperature sensor, play a crucial role in the engine's performance. If they malfunction or provide incorrect readings, it can lead to rough idling. Dirty or faulty. EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation, EGR valve, recirculates exhaust gases into the intake manifold. If it's clogged or not functioning correctly, it can disrupt engine performance at idle. Diagnosing the exact cause of a rough idle may require a combination of visual inspections, diagnostic scans, and testing various components. If you're unsure how to proceed or lack the necessary tools, it's advisable to consult a qualified mechanic or automotive technician to diagnose and resolve the issue properly.